Hey guys, how's it going? It's been probably about 2 days now. I was just spending my time going slowly, taking out the engine, so I just got that done. Just pulled it out now. It's about 10 o'clock at night, so I'll probably just call it a night now, and then I'll strip down the engine tomorrow when I have a little bit more focus here. So everything's just kind of apart. So that's how she sits right now. My brother-in-law came over and helped me out, at least with the crane and everything, so it worked out pretty good. I had a STI EJ257 short block that I bought off of Kijiji as well. That was apparently had a little bit of knocking noise on it. I'm gonna bring it into the machine shop tomorrow to see if they can tear it down for me, do all the measurements on the cylinders and whatnot, and then give me an estimate to see how much it'll cost to rebuild it. That way I'll see if I'm gonna do a hybrid 257 205 motor. Otherwise, if it's going to be breaking the bank, they're rebuilding that motor, then I'll just stick with the EJ 250 and just rebuild this motor as is with the GC swap. So stay tuned. I'll keep on updating you along with the kind of just the important stuff. If you guys like what you see, give me a like. Ask me any questions. I'll do what I can to help you guys out with tips along the way. Or if you guys got any tips for me, let me know. Thanks for watching, guys.